Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to every one of you. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it. I do see you. I do see the subscribers are counting up, and I am praying that this year we move up to 1,000. I know we're gonna do it. I know it's gonna happen. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce the video and go ahead and let you watch the rest of the video. So yeah, I was going to make this into just a straight vlog, but I was like, you know what, I don't have time to be videotaping here and there for that particular week. So I just decided to take this set of content and just turn it into a short video cooking my breakfast, you know what I mean? So yes, I do hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a great new year. I wish you all nothing for the best for the new year. As I sit here on my couch and just reflecting on the things that God has done for me, my family, my friends, beyond any circumstances, beyond any headache, negativity. God is always there. He's always there to protect us and carry us through no matter what. So all in all, I am very, very, very grateful to be here in this coming year. And I'm wishing myself the best. I'm wishing myself the best, and along with you guys. So yeah, so there's more great content to come, and I will see you guys in another one. Do enjoy this content. All right, peace out.